electric vehicle is our future, and we know that recently our government, Transport Minister Mr. Nitin Gadkari, announced that world's largest electric vehicle company Tesla is coming in 2021. So we can say that electric vehicle is our future, but we should also know that our in our country lack of infrastructure like powerhouses to charge the electric vehicle. We are lacking it, so our government should also produce more than in a city two or three powerhouses, so we can charge it our.
Yeah, friend, I agree with you. But first of all, we also know what is electrical vehicle and commercial vehicle. Electrical vehicle that operate by battery, and commercial vehicle that operate by diesel and many kinds of other fuels. In our country, we can easily see that commercial vehicle are the cause of to increase pollution. According to me, electrical vehicles are good to diminish the pollution in our country, because we can easily see that the pollution is increasing day by day in our country, and pollution is the cause of many kinds of diseases in our country.
We are living in the era we are seeing that the technology is growing a lot of, and we can say that in this time of modern era, many of the people using the diesels and diesel vehicles, and we can say that in this time we are seeing that the electric vehicles is going on, and we can say e-rickshaw, and we can say that also that it is a boon for the environment, and we can we if we will use the electric vehicle. I think this is also the bane for the poverty line people, because they are too much costly.
We are living, we are living in the age of science, and the changement is in the rule of nature. We see that the diesel vehicle emits a lot of pollution that is harmful for us and also for our nature. So the transformation is that the electric vehicle are introduced to us, and they will not pollute our environment, and if we one time will charge them, then it.
Yeah,
There are two types of vehicle in our country: electric vehicle and commercial vehicle. The vehicle is run by petrol, diesel, and CNG is called commercial vehicle, and the vehicle is which are running by battery is called electric vehicle. I think electric vehicle is very good for us, because they, with the help of electric vehicles, carbon emission is decreased, and it will help to make a good environment among the us. And our government also promoting to people by discount, giving them discount in buying electric vehicles. Electric vehicles are very costly, so government are doing something.
Electric vehicle is very good because it reduces the pollution, and because if we talk about commercial vehicle, they are running by the petrol and diesel, and it is increases the global warming. So when we use a diesel vehicle, it is very good for us.
Yeah, friend, I agree with you, and we can see that electrical vehicle is very good on the comparison of commercial vehicle. But we cannot deny some electrical vehicle are not more powerful than diesel vehicle. We can easily see that electrical vehicle charges some time, and their battery will discharge.
And it's not too much powerful, because in this time we are seeing that everywhere we find a diesel petrol pump, but we are not finding any charging pumps. Government should be manage all things, then should be put the electric vehicles in our country.
Yeah, I agree.
Diesel vehicles are very costly for the people, and it is true that electric vehicles are the future of the whole world, because every world running, and technology is the main source that electric vehicles encouraged by the government, and there are many companies who manufacture electric vehicles.
Yes,
In my opinion, these technology are good, and after the sometimes this electric vehicles replace the diesel vehicles, because it reduces the carbons and the pollution, which is good our environment and the health.
There are two kinds of vehicle in our society. One diesel vehicle, and the other is commercial vehicle. If I talk about electrical vehicle, as we know that we are living in the age of 21st century. By using electrical vehicle, we can control over pollution, and that is so good for our environment.
I know that
very good
for our environment because we all know that the diesels and like other fuels are limited. If they are they ended, then why? Then how can we travel by? So the increment in the electrical vehicle is very.
Yeah, friend, I
I
agree with you that we can easily see that our India is still not prepared for the electrical vehicle, and our government should establish the charging petrol pumps for the electrical vehicle, and after coming the electrical vehicle, the charges of petrol and diesel will be diminished.
Actually, the electrical vehicle in our country is very costly because of many components of electrical vehicle is not present in here in our country as lithium ion battery. But our government also taking some step as they reduce the GST of in electrical vehicle 25% to 5%. We consider it is a good step to promote the electrical vehicle.
Yes,
Yes,
I agree with you.
we all know that.
As you
We all
said
know
that
that.
the electrical vehicles are too costly that everyone can't afford electrical vehicle. But also it is good for our environment that emission of carbon dioxide and many other harmful gases will not be in electrical vehicles.
Yes, but we all know that
Electric vehicles
diesel vehicles are also contributing to increase pollution. So we need to work to buy electric vehicles, but the electric some problems in electric vehicles because electric vehicles are not long distance because they are fully depend on batteries, and the batteries will discharge if you go in a long distance. So our government has started petrol pump for the charging of electric vehicles.
And we can say that an example of our railway that many of the electric trains are running over there, and because every station has a power station of the electric. That's the reason, and electric trains are going very through in a railway. And that if we want to throw the all electric vehicles in our country, we should put the electric petrol pump electric pumps, and also take a responsibility that electric vehicles should not be too much costly.
Electric
Yes,
vehicles
I agree.
because my friends that anyone cannot afford them, and electric vehicle we can use in those cities where the pollution is increasing because our infrastructure is not good and we have passed from a great pandemic. So in my thinking, where there is a lot of pollution, where we will have to use the electric vehicle, and there is less pollution, we will have to running from the diesel vehicle.
According to me, I think government also promote the private investors in our country because we know one or two companies are making electrical vehicles, so they can adjust their rate by once if competition will be in market, then they will reduce the prices.
Yes, I
Yes,
agree with you,
yes.
but I want to say one more line that electrical vehicle has no guarantee. Every single vehicle cannot take a long distance. It should be for small distance.
And yes, I agree with my friends that their electric vehicles are not afford a long distance, but our government try to make a lots of electric pumps, which is good taken by the our government, and the many companies are interested to invest like these investments, and after the some time we see that electric vehicles replace the diesel vehicles because they are good for the our environment, and we are know that electric vehicles are not affordable for the every person. Our government are trying to decrease the minimum price of the electric vehicle.
As we know
As we know that we are living the era of technology, and when we use the electric vehicle in the place of a diesel vehicle, it will also very beneficial for the economy of our country because we will have to not import the diesel from the other countries. When we will prepare the electric vehicles in our country, it is very good for the our coming generation, and it will also reduce the unemployment.
In my opinion, if we are using electric vehicles, we will have not to buy petrol and diesel from other countries as Saudi Arab, Iraq, and Iraq. So it increases our economic system.
India
Yeah, friend,
India
I
is
will also-
India is in third position of carbon emission in all over the world. It's the main reason of diesel engine. A lot of in a large scale diesel engine is running in the country, so there is a lot of carbon is emitting. It is the main reason of pollution. So I think we should change this vehicle in place of electric vehicle.
Yeah, friend, I
think
agree with you. We can
carbon is the
actually
main
say
reason
that
of the global warming, and we are saying that it will not be implemented in one day. I think if government want to implement it in our country, I think the government should put the electric pumps in the all over the petrol pumps. In the one pump should be for the electric.
Yeah, friend, I agree with you. We can easily see that electrical vehicle can't run properly in the roads ups and downs, but diesel and commercial vehicle also run in the roads. They have ups and downs. Our government should take a step to make good roads and that the electrical vehicle will easily run.
Yes,
As
yes,
you know,
I agree
the-
with that. Nowadays, our infrastructure is not very good, but in the upcoming years, when our infrastructure is very good, then we can go for the electric vehicle.
As we know that friends, government also established lithium ion refinery first time in India in Gujarat. So we can say that finally can say that this is good step for commercial vehicle, for electrical vehicle, and the cost will be reduced due to this.
Yes, I agree with
Conclude. I will go for the debate later.
At conclusion, I will say that electrical vehicle is future. We should consider that it's a future of our life, and we should government should promote establish a campaign like for promoting these vehicles.
At last, I would like to conclude that electronic vehicles is very good for us, and if we are using electronic vehicles, it reduces pollution our society, and it is very good for us. And last, I would like to conclude by saying that electrical vehicles are good for our environment, but the diesel vehicle has more power, and the diesel vehicle cover long distance. So we should need it to changement in the power of electrical vehicle, and then we can use it properly.
At last, I would like to conclude the adding all points of my friend that I'd like to say that I think electric vehicle is a boon for our environment. If we want to the change the environment and the condition of the India, and we can see also Delhi, we have a lot of pollution. I think we should be put the electric vehicle in all over India.
At last, I would like to conclude that electrical vehicle is very good for the environment, but there is a long way to go because India is not still prepared for the establishment of electrical vehicle. First, India, our government should establish the charging stations to charge the battery of electrical vehicle.
In conclusion, I want to say that the changement is the rule of the nature, and electric vehicle are our future. Electric vehicle did not emit harmful gases like carbon dioxide, and this is good for us and for our health also.
At last, I would like to conclude by saying that electrical vehicle are boon for us, and both the electrical vehicle and commercial vehicle are very good.
In my opinion, electric vehicle is future of our country and the whole world, and it is a good for us because it reduces the pollution rate, and we all know that it takes some time, but it is a future for us.
Electric vehicles is very good for our environment, not only our country but also all world will come forward to promote electric vehicles.
As we know that we are living in the era of technology, and we are running for the electric vehicles. So we will have also run for the electric vehicles, but nowadays our infrastructure of India is not so good. Then if they in upcoming years, when the infrastructure of the India is very good, then we will have to generate the charging station, and after that we will have to use the diesel vehicle, electronic vehicles.